best course about how to make sales.
Totally excited and it works.
So Jeff Bezos is the richest man in the world for a reason. It's because Amazon takes a lot of money if you're selling a product through Amazon FBA. In this video, I'm going to be going over some of the costs, very specifically, of selling products on Amazon FBA and what you can expect to be paying. So I'll detail everything, the 4 major costs in this video. So check it out. Let's go. So Amazon FBA, if you're not familiar, fulfillment by Amazon. Amazon FBA is when you, as a seller, ship products to Amazon and have Amazon sell them for you. Now, there are a lot of costs involved in selling through Amazon. There's over 6 million people that are selling products through Amazon's marketplace, and there's a lot of people making a lot of money. But before you believe all the hype and the gurus saying that it's easy and all you need is a few $1,000s to get started, I'm going to detail the real costs of getting started with an Amazon FBA-based business so you can have more realistic expectations of what to expect. So the first thing that you need to do when you sign up for Amazon FBA is it's $39.99 per month, okay, to get started. And you can find this on Amazon's website here. If we go over here, you'll see kind of in small print, it says $39.99 per month, and then it says plus additional selling fees. So I'll be going over those additional selling fees in just a second here. And this is all from Amazon's actual website that I'm taking all of these numbers from. Now, the second cost you should be aware of is the actual shipping costs, the picking and packing order costs, and that runs anywhere from $2 to $5 here. As you can see, let's just take this for example. For an average sized item, you'll be spending $2.48 to ship your product with Amazon. So that's an additional $2.48 per unit to use Amazon's fulfillment services in selling your product. So this is another cost that you just kind of incur. The third cost you need to be aware of is when you're shipping through Amazon FBA, there's a storage cost. So when you start an Amazon business, you're going to buy product, usually from like China or someplace like that, and you're going to ship it from China all the way to Amazon's warehouse. Now, you pay the shipping costs from China to Amazon's warehouse in Tennessee or wherever that is, but you're also going to pay a storage fee by the square foot. So every square foot that you use in Amazon's warehouse, they're going to charge you, and if we see that right here, we see 69 cents per square foot, January through September, and around Christmas season, you're going to be paying more like $2.40 per square foot. But let's use 69 cents per square foot as an example. So you're going to pay 0.69 cents per square foot. Okay. Now, if you're starting a business with any significant volume, you're going to need a lot of square feet in Amazon's warehouse to ship the product. And while you're building your store, while you're trying to market the products that you've put on Amazon, it's going to take time. What's likely going to happen is your products are going to be sitting around in Amazon's warehouse for a little while you're waiting for those products to sell. So in all the while, you will be paying money for every square foot that you are using in Amazon's warehouse. So keep that in mind. Now, the fourth cost you need to be aware of is a pretty big one, and that's actually what fees does Amazon take for selling your product. And typically that's 6 to 20%. You know, I just found this through Google. So the fee range is typically 6 to 20%, but the average is 15%. So we can safely factor that Amazon makes 15% of product, okay? Just for selling your product on their platform. So Amazon's making a lot of money. Again, they're taking very little risk. They're charging you a pretty small fee just to sell on Amazon. You're going to pay a per unit cost for every product that they actually have to pick and pack. And then you're also paying for their warehousing space, and you're paying Amazon 15% off the top. So you have to factor all of these costs in before starting an Amazon business. Now, the upsides of Amazon are that, Amazon basically does all the marketing for you. You put your product on Amazon, they handle the fulfillment, they handle a lot of things for you. But other things you need to be aware of that are costs that are not in Amazon FBA is just to sell on Amazon. You're going to need a number of things. You're going to need to have customer service. You're likely going to need to have a website. You're going to need to have some sort of support line or mailbox or PO box or something to receive customer feedback and inquiries from. All of this costs you money. Now, the gurus won't tell you this information. The gurus will say, hey man, just spend a few $1,000 and you can be selling on Amazon and it'll be going in no time. But the reality is that it costs a lot of money to get started on Amazon. Now, if you want to start an Amazon FBA business, I would suggest that you have anywhere from $25,000 to $50,000 to really launch your store, and keep in mind that you're going to have to test a number of different products before you actually find one that sells well. Now, the other issue with Amazon FBA is that you have to come out of pocket a lot of money. It's considered a negative cash flow business. And what that means, you have to physically buy the products before you ever sell them. Now, what that means is that you might spend $20,000 on buying products before you even see a dime of that back, okay? So you spend $20,000 to hopefully make $30,000. Now, in that case, you would have made a profit, but again, you're coming out of pocket a lot of money. The one person who makes money no matter what is Amazon. Keep those numbers in mind when you are starting an Amazon-based business. Again, you're coming out of pocket a lot of money. It's a longer-term business. You're going to have to deal with review fraud. You're going to have to deal with getting marketing and getting reviews for yourself in the beginning. And you're going to have to go up against competition with over 6 million other people who are doing the same thing and selling products on Amazon. So, and possibly more experienced than you. So keep that in mind when you're selling on Amazon. If you don't have some sort of advantage, it's going to be very hard for you to get ahead on this platform. So I hope this video was helpful in kind of explaining what the real costs of Amazon FBA are. I'm an internet marketer. I've been running an internet business since 2012. I've been making millions of dollars. I've worked in numbers of different fields, but the place where I've made most of my money is affiliate marketing. If you do want to learn more about making money online and even starting an affiliate marketing based business, which any products, it doesn't require any customer support or fulfillment or any of that jazz. Now, when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you'll get a free course. You'll get a free affiliate marketing course right here. It's 10 videos. If you want to learn about affiliate marketing, or just subscribe and say hey, and you'll get other videos about different ways to make money online. I have some free courses from some of my friends here who are also successful multi-million-dollar internet marketers, and they can show you various ways of making money online. So subscribe to my channel, like, and if you have any comments on if this was helpful in any way, or if there's any updates or questions you have, feel free to leave a comment for me below in this video, and I'd love to hear your feedback. Talk to you soon.